Machine Sentry Next Generation.
The other features we have introduced into the grid function of Machine Sentry is the ability to batch update and also a new way to run exports. Firstly, we will look at batch update. Previously in Machine Sentry, each item such as assets would have to be individually updated, but now we are able to do this for a range of items as required. In this example, we will look at an asset batch update. Let's navigate to our site and then over to the Assets tab, which can be accessed at any level in the hierarchy. You will notice the Batch Update button at the top of the window. However, it will be currently inaccessible, as we first need to select which assets this applies to. Utilizing the filters and search functions here from our grids navigation video can help to quickly identify which assets are required. To select, simply tick the box on the left-hand side of each asset and then select Batch Update. Within this window, you can update which fields you see. However, we firstly need to tick the fields we wish to update, and we will use Asset Category as an example. Once ticked, you can then edit the field accordingly. We will choose Redundant Equipment. Once you are happy with the changes, hit Save and the changes will apply to each selected asset or item. Exporting in Machine Sentry takes the filters into account. For looking at the current view of assets, if we select the Export button, we get a drop down of all the formats we can export in. Select the one that is most appropriate and the portal will export the data from the selection you see. If we use a status filter, so we will select just the assets in Alarm, the export will then only export the assets you see when this filter is applied.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.